everyone, just want to share with you some journal kits that I've put together. There are 7 altogether. I think it's 7 or 6, because I've just kept one to actually show the video. The rest are all more or less exactly the same. The rest are all packed up, ready to go. So obviously these will be listed in my shop. So I'm just going to show you the papery bits first. Well, it's all paper, but I mean the it is. I've had to do it so that it all sits in a nice big bundle. Right, so there is 10 coffee dyed paper, plain. It's copy paper, it's been coffee dyed or tea dyed. Then there is 2 lined papers, then there is 2 squared, and the squared paper actually didn't, you can feel that it's coffee dyed. It's got that nice sound to it, but it's not really as dark as the rest, but don't know why. So that's that. So there's 14 sheets of that. Then you will get 3 large tags that have been coffee dyed, and the coffee dye has actually got some micro powders in it, so there's a nice shine. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. Then I've stenciled it, inked around the edges. I've put some reinforcers and then some string on them. These tags here have all been stamped and stenciled on coffee dyes. So we have the Tiffany & Co. Make each day a story worth telling, little moments, big memories, just a note, this book belongs to, and story begins. Then you will get 10 tickets, 6 Stampin' Up tabs. There is 4, these measure 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Just, it is slightly just under 4 by 4, I think. The pad says 4 by 4, but it is just, it's a sneaky bit under. So they'd be good to make some pockets or decorate things with. There is 4 index cards, coffee dye them if you like. There is some bridge scorecards, 2 of them. There is this little envelope, be nice to decorate. This coin envelope, this coin envelope, this white envelope would be a good idea to coffee dye that. You could do that as a pocket and have a pocket there as well. Decorate the back, you could snip the top off, multi-purpose, multi-useful I should say. Some squared like index cards. There is 4 guest checks. There is 2 window envelopes. There is, whoopsie, 6 plain like manila tags for you to do as you wish with. There is 4 doilies, they're just plain white. There is 2 large doilies. There is 2 of these oblongy ones, oblong, yeah, rectangle, not rectile. 4 little dictionary pages. I haven't pulled them apart yet. Then there is 4 of these vintage, I can't remember what they are, they're like definitions and things like that. There is 2 Edith Holden, I haven't split them apart yet. There's 2 Edith Holden. Then there is 4 vintage music sheets. There is 2 of these, I haven't pulled that apart yet either. 2, these are from a gardening book. Then there is, whoopsie, 2 of these are from a houseplant survival book. And then there's 2 of these really large pages. Now I saw I've been selling these on and off for quite a while, and I saw a journal that one lady made from one of these kits, and oh my goodness, it was amazing. She really did an amazing job from making a journal from one of these kits. So it's nice to actually see that. So like I said, there is 7 of these available. There is, I think there's just under like 100 pieces with all this, and obviously the coffee dyed papers. I love that noise. So like I said, these will be listed in my shop. If If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.